Well, welcome to the channel. If this video helps you out in any way, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And if you want to share the video, you can. And if it helps you out, there is a thanks button if you want to click that. Right, the screen doesn't work. Put the key in, all the lights come on, and this seems dead. There's two ways of doing this, and I'm going to show you both ways. What you need to do, and just put the window down in case the car locks itself when I get out, is come around the passenger side, pop your bonnet. When your bonnet's popped up, just take that off like that. This is just like a little lever, just pull it up and disconnect that and leave it for about a minute or so. That's one way of doing it. Or the other way of doing it is if you open up your glove box. When you've opened up your glove box, just pull this and you see this little blue thing here. Right, so this is a fuse remover. If you look down in there, you can see the yellow fuse there, this angle. You just put this in there on the fuse, pull it, wait a minute, pop the fuse back in, and the radio should come on. Right, I'm just gonna, but I think the easiest way for most people is gonna be the battery. Well, it's been over a minute now. Let's just pop it back on and see what happens. As you can see, it's all lit up now. The reason why it does this, I think it needs a software update, or your battery might be a bit low. Yeah, just wait a minute and it'll all pop back into life. Okay, hope this video's helped some of you out. Please give us a thumbs up and a like. Thanks for watching.